हॅलो स्टुडंट्स, आज आपण नवीन चॅप्टरला सुरुवात करणार आहोत. सर्वजण घरी बसून शिक्षण घेत आहेत. विशेष म्हणजे जी सुरुवातीला ॲफिनिटी होती, सर्वजण जवळजवळ 600-700 विद्यार्थी रेकॉर्डिंग पाहतात. यूट्यूबवरील प्रत्येक रेकॉर्डिंग पाहत होते. पण आत्ता विद्यार्थ्यामध्येही थोडासा संख्या मंदावलेली दिसते. कारण एक दिवसामध्ये फक्त 8, 9, 10 जण रेकॉर्डिंग पाहतात. तसं करू नका. सर्वजण आपल्यासाठी झटत आहेत. जरी शाळा बंद तरी शिक्षण चालू, यासाठी आम्ही सर्व शिक्षक आपल्यासाठी विनामूल्य तत्पर आहोत. शासनानेही त्याचप्रमाणे यूट्यूब, झूम ॲप या सर्व ॲपनी सुद्धा आपल्याला पूर्णपणे सूट दिलेली आहे. खूप कमी म्हणजे कसल्याही प्रकारचे फीस नाही आणि त्याचा आपण भरपूर फायदा घ्यावा. कारण जगामध्ये ज्या फुकट वस्तू आहेत त्याची किंमत नसते, पण त्याच सगळ्यात जास्त महाग असतात. उदाहरणार्थ हवा हे फुकट मिळते, पण त्याला प्रदूषित करण्याचं काम मानव करत आहे. त्याचप्रमाणे जगातले हे जे पंचमहाभूतातले सगळेच भाग आहेत हे फुकट आहेत, तरीसुद्धा आपण त्याचा योग्य प्रकारे वापर करणं अत्यंत आवश्यक आहे. त्याप्रमाणे तुम्हीही करावं आणि जास्तीत जास्त मुलांना हे या रेकॉर्डिंग्स पाहाव्या. त्यामध्ये काही भाग समजला नाही तो व्हॉट्सअपवर विचारावा. परत मी या सूचना देत आहे. आणि सर्व तुकडी ए पासून ते तुकडी जे पर्यंत सर्व विद्यार्थ्यांनी या यूट्यूबवरील रेकॉर्डिंग पाहावे. आपल्याला दुसरा चॅप्टर चालू करायचा आहे. त्याचं नाव आहे क्वाड्रॅटिक इक्वेशन. मराठीमध्ये वर्ग समीकरणे म्हणतात. चला तर मग आपण आता वर्ग समीकरणे म्हणजेच क्वाड्रॅटिक इक्वेशन सुरुवात करू. पहिलं, क्वाड्रॅटिक इक्वेशन म्हणजे काय आणि त्याचा उपयोग जीवनामध्ये कुठं होतो. सगळ्यात महत्त्वाची गोष्ट, आपण शिकतो का तर त्याचा उपयोग जीवनामध्ये कुठेतरी होणार म्हणून शिकतो. तर या क्वाड्रॅटिक इक्वेशनचा उपयोग ज्या ठिकाणी कर्व आहेत, मग सॅटेलाइट सोडताना असो, बॅट्समननं चेंडू मारलेला असो, बॉलर चेंडू टाकणारा असो, त्याचा जो पथ आहे, त्याचा जो वे आहे, तो आपल्याला या वर्ग समीकरणानं काढता येतो. आता हे खूप वरच्या पातळीवरचं झालं. सॅटेलाइट सोडणे, चंद्रयान सोडणे, चंद्रावरती यान कसं जातं तर तेही वक्राकार म्हणजे प्रत्येभोवती फिरत कक्षा सोडून जातं. त्या कक्षा कसा सोडतात तिथंही वर्ग समीकरण महत्त्वाचं आहे. म्हणजे क्वाड्रॅटिक इक्वेशन इज व्हेरी इम्पॉर्टंट इन आवर फर्दर लाईफ, फर्दर रिसर्च ऑल्सो. सर्च अँड रिसर्च, संशोधनामध्ये वर्ग समीकरणाचा अत्यंत महत्त्वाचा वाटा आहे. ते आपण आता पाहू. Firstly, see the revision.
Look at the algebraic expressions given here. Do you know what these algebraic expressions are? These are known as polynomials. In these polynomials, 3x plus 2 is of degree 1 and is known as a linear polynomial. 9x squared minus 8x plus 1 is of degree 2 and is known as quadratic polynomial. 4x squared minus 5 is also a quadratic polynomial. 2x cube minus 5x square minus 7x plus 5 is of degree 3 and is known as cubic polynomial.
Cubic polynomial.
Let us do an activity. Classify the given polynomial into linear and quadratic polynomials. 5x plus 9. 5x plus 9 is of degree 1 and so it is a linear polynomial. X square plus
When the degree is 1, it
minus
is
5
linear
is a
polynomial.
polynomial of degree
It is
2.
quadratic
So
polynomial.
it is a quadratic polynomial.
3x minus 7
minus 7 is of degree
equal
1.
so that it is linear
It
polynomial.
is a linear polynomial.
3x square
3x
minus
square
5x
minus 5x and 5x square both have
Both are
degree 2 and so they are quadratic polynomials. Now let us study some equations by equating quadratic polynomials with 0. Equations involving one variable and having maximum index of the variable as 2 are called quadratic equation in one variable. In this chapter, we will study more about quadratic equations and methods of solving them.
These are the polynomials given there.
Let us solve an example.
One activity is
One
given there.
about a rectangular
After
playground
that,
of area 200 square meter. The length of the rectangle is 10 meter more than its breadth. What will be the length and breadth of the rectangle? Solution. Let the breadth of the rectangle be x meter. Therefore,
First,
length is equal to x
take
plus
some
10
example.
meter. The area of the rectangular playground is equal to length into breadth.
Break.
Therefore, 200 is equal to x plus 10 multiplied by x. Therefore, 200 is equal to x square plus 10x. Therefore, x square plus 10x is equal to 200. Therefore, x square plus 10x minus 200 is equal to 0. Now we can
This is
determine
the
the length
quadratic
and breadth
equation.
of the rectangular playground by solving this quadratic equation. Let us now learn how to solve quadratic equations. Let us do an activity. Write the following polynomials in the index form and fill in the boxes by identifying the coefficients.
Quadratic
X squared
equation
plus
is given there.
3x minus 5, 3x squared minus
Write down the
5x
coefficient.
plus 0,
Coefficient of
5x
x square,
squared plus 0x minus
coefficient of
0.
x and
The
constant.
coefficients of
A, B,
x
C.
squared in the above equations are 1, 3 and 5 respectively,
Here,
which
1,
are not
3
equal to
and
0.
5.
Now let us find the coefficients of x.
Yes.
The coefficients of x in the above equations are 3,
3
minus
minus
5
5
and
and 0.
0 respectively.
And
The
constant
constants in these equations are minus 5, 0 and 0 respectively. Here, the second and third polynomials have 0 as constant. Standard form of quadratic equations.
general form or the standard form of quadratic equation. X
We
square
know that the equations involving one variable and having maximum index
definition
of
of
the variable
quadratic
2
equation.
are called quadratic equations
Equation
in
in
one
one
variable. When the quadratic polynomial ax square plus
plus
bx
bx plus
plus
c
c
is equal to
is
0.
equated with 0, then it is called a quadratic
Quadratic
equation.
equation.
In other
Linear
words, the
variable
equation
x.
of the form ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0, where a, b, c are real numbers
real number
and a
and
is
a is not
not
equal
equal to
to
0
0.
is called a quadratic equation
Where
in
a
variable x.
may not be
The
equal to 0.
general or standard form of a quadratic equation is ax square plus bx plus c
Plus c.
is equal to 0. The term quadratic comes from the Latin word quadratus, which means
Quadratus.
square. In the quadratic
Quadratus
equation,
means square.
ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0, the constants a, b,
There
and
is
c
square of the
are
variable.
called the quadratic coefficient, linear coefficient, and the constant term or free term, respectively. Let us do an activity. Fill in the blanks with appropriate answers and complete the table. The quadratic equation x square minus 4 is equal to 0.
Write down in the standard
Is
form.
written in the standard form as
X square
plus
0x minus 4 is equal to
is
0.
equal to 0.
Here a is equal to 1,
A is equal to 1,
b is equal to
B
0,
is equal to 0,
C
and
is
C
equal
is
to
equal to
minus 4.
minus 4.
Again,
Similarly, we write the quadratic equation y square
is equal to 2y minus 7.
as y square minus 2y
Standard
plus 7 is
form.
equal to 0, where a is equal to 1,
1,
b is equal to minus 4,
and c
and
is
c
equal to
is
7.
equal to 7. For the third quadratic equation, we write the standard form of the equation as x square plus 2x plus 0 is equal to 0, where
Then
a is equal to 1, b is equal to 2, and c is equal to 0.
First we find out the
quadratic polynomial
values of
is
a, b,
equal
c.
to x square minus 5x plus 6. We will now find the value of px by
Putting
substituting
the values,
given
x is equal to
values for x. What is the value of px when x is equal to 0? When x is equal to 0, the value of px is 6.
equal to 6.
This means p at 0 is equal to 6.
0
What
square
is the
minus
value
5 into
of
0,
px
all
when x
terms
is equal to
0
1?
plus 6 means 6.
When x is equal to 1,
1 square
p
minus
at 1
5
is
into
equal
1
to 2.
plus 6.
What is the value of
Is
p
equal to
at
2.
minus 1? P at minus 1 is 12. In the same way,
Minus minus plus
substituting x is 2,
5,
minus
6
2,
plus 1, 12.
3 and minus 3, we get p at 2 is equal to 0. P at minus 2 is
Is equal
20.
to 20.
P at 3 is
Is
0.
equal to 0.
And P at minus 3 is 30.
Here,
For which values of x is the value of the polynomial px 0?
is equal to 0.
Yes, the value of px is 0 for x is equal to 2,
2 and x is equal to 3
Therefore, 2 and 3
are
the zeros of the
roots
quadratic
of the-
polynomial x square minus 5x plus 6.
those are called as the roots.
This method of finding the zeros is tedious. How do we then determine the zeros of the quadratic polynomial in an easier manner? Zeros of the quadratic polynomial can be obtained by equating the quadratic polynomial ax square plus
Plus
bx
bx plus c
to
is equal
0
to 0.
and solving the equation.
Equation.
Every quadratic polynomial has at most 2 zeros.
There are 2 at most,
We
means
will now learn to
only 2
identify
zeros are there.
quadratic equations.
Otherwise, not 0.
How do we decide whether the given equations are quadratic or not?
Quadratic or not quadratic.
We will
Here,
have to compare
first-
the equation with the general form of quadratic equation
ax square plus bx plus c is
bx
equal to 0.
plus c equal to 0
First,
to decide if it is quadratic or not. Consider the first
First
equation. X square minus 5x plus 4 equal to 0. What is the value of a here?
A is equal
comparing
to-
with ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0, a, the coefficient of x square,
1.
is 1.
b is equal
Similarly,
to
by
minus
comparison,
5.
b, the coefficient Quotient of x is minus 5
and c is equal
constant
to
term c is equal to 4.
4.
Here A, B, C are real
All are
numbers
the real numbers.
and A is not equal to 0. Therefore, x
This is-
square minus 5x plus 4 equal to
Is
0.
equal to 0 is
Quadratic
quadratic
equation
equation.
in variable x.
Now second.
Consider the equation
Y square
y
minus
square
4 is equal
minus
to 11.
4 equal to 11y. First, let
Is
us
it
write
quadratic
the
equation or not?
in the standard form. The
Y
equation
square
becomes y square
Minus 11y minus 4 is equal to 0.
Now we will compare it with ay square plus
Wherever
by
is changed.
plus c equal to 0.
Instead of x,
What are the
we have to take
values
here
of
y.
a, b and c? A is 1, b is minus 11 and c is minus 4. Here
A is not
B,
equal to
C
0.
are real numbers and a is not equal to 0.
Therefore,
Can we say y square minus 11y minus 4 equal to
is equal
0
to 0
is
is
a quadratic equation?
Yes.
Yes, it is a quadratic equation in variable y.
Now, see the third.
Consider another equation. 11 is equal to minus 4x square
Minus
x
3x
cubed.
cube.
This
minus
equation
x
can be written as x cubed
X cube
plus 4x
Plus
square
4x square plus 11 is equal to 0.
Is it a quadratic equation? No, it is not a quadratic equation.
Why?
Why?
Because
X cubed plus 4x
There
square
is the
plus 11
index
0
is 3.
is not a quadratic equation because the highest power of the variable
Variable
x
is 3.
3.
And so that it is
Let
cubic
us
equation.
consider another equation.
Here.
n minus 3
Four.
is equal to 4n. We can write this equation as minus 3n minus 3 equal to 0.
n minus 4n
When we write
minus
this
3n
equation in the
minus
standard
3 is equal
form
to 0.
of quadratic equation, it becomes 0n square minus 3n minus 3 equal to 0.
Here,
Comparing with an square plus bn plus c equal to 0,
here a is 0.
a is equal to 0, b is equal to minus 3 and c is equal to minus 3. Since a is equal to 0, it is not
Then
a
it
quadratic
is not
equation.
quadratic equation.
n minus 3 equal to 4n is a linear equation in variable
This
n.
is the linear equation. It is
Degree
not
is 1.
quadratic equation.
The
Come on,
next equation is 3y square minus 7 equal to root 3y.
Y.
Writing
This
this
can be written
equation in
as
the standard form, it becomes
3y square
square
minus
minus
root 3y minus 7 is equal to 0.
Comparing with ay square plus by plus c equal to 0, a is 3, b is minus root 3, c is minus 7. A, b and c are real numbers and a is not,
Not equal to 0. Therefore, it is
Therefore,
a
the
quadratic
equation
equation.
3y square minus 7 equal to root 3y is
Is a
quadratic
quadratic equation.
variable y. Let us
Now,
consider
last.
one more example. Q square,
Q square minus 4 divided by Q
for
square
is
is equal to
minus
minus
3.
3. Take the cross
First, we will
multiplication.
write the equation in the standard form. Cross multiplying, we get q square minus 4 is minus 3q square. On simplifying, we get 4q
4
square
minus 4 is equal to 0. Now write
This
in
can be
standard
written
form.
as 4q square
Plus
plus
0
0 into
q
q minus 4 is equal to 0.
Here a is
Comparing
equal
with
to
aq square plus bq plus c equal to 0,
a is equal
a
to 4.
is 4, b
B
is
is
0, c is minus 4. A, b and c are real numbers
And a is not equal to 0. Therefore, it
This
is
equation q square
Quadratic
minus
equation.
4 upon q square is minus 3 is quadratic.
Is it quadratic equation or not? So that we have to
In
write
the
that
next
equation
question,
in standard
we
form.
have to write the given quadratic equations
In
the
standard
standard form.
Any
ax square
quadratic
plus
equation.
bx plus c
Firstly, write
equals
in the standard form. These 5 equations are given here. First,
The first equation is
x square is equal to minus 7
minus root
root
10
10
x.
x.
How do you write this equation in the standard form? We will shift minus 7 minus root 10 x
To
from
the
right hand side to left hand
Left
side.
hand side.
Therefore, the
All
equation
these are the
becomes
negative.
x
It
square
becomes the
plus
positive.
root 10x plus 7 equal to 0. And this is in the standard form ax square plus bx plus c equal to
Is
0.
equal to 0.
The second equation is p
Into bracket p
6
minus
is equal to
6
0.
is equal to 0.
By using distributive property, we get
Distributive
p
property.
square
Multiply to
minus
p
6p
to this
is equal to 0.
bracket.
Which term is missing when compared to the standard form of the equation? The constant
is not
term
there.
is missing. By adding 0 for the constant term, we can write the equation in the standard form as p square
जे
minus
दिसत
6
नाही त्या ठिकाणी
plus 0 is equal to 0. The third equation is
मिसिंग टर्म असेल त्या ठिकाणी आपण 0 घेतो. मी पहिल्यापासून सांगतो की ज्याला पोहायला येत नाही, जे बुडतात त्याला काय करतो आपण? भोपळा बांधतो, फ्लोटर बांधतो. फ्लोटर म्हणजे 0, भोपळा म्हणजे 0. तसं ज्या ठिकाणी जी टर्म बुडालेली आहे स्टँडर्ड फॉर्ममध्ये, जे दिसत नाही त्याला अशा प्रकारे 0 घ्यायचं आहे. एक ढवळ मानानं, हे काही लॉजिकली नाही, पण बुडणाऱ्या माणसाला जसा भोपळा बांधतात तसं बुडणारी टर्म आपण 0 घ्यायची किंवा त्याचा कोएफिशियंट 0 घ्यायचा, म्हणजे भोपळा बांधलेला असतो. त्याप्रमाणे आपण स्टँडर्ड फॉर्ममध्ये क्वाड्रॅटिक
x
इक्वेशन
square upon 25 minus 4 is equal to 0.
here
Remove the denominator 25.
multiply on
We
both
will
sides by
multiply
25.
all the terms of the equation by
25 cancel.
Therefore,
X
the
square
equation becomes x square
minus 100 is equal to 0. Again,
Which term is missing when compared to the standard form of the equation?
bx.
Here, x term is missing. Hence, by
Therefore,
adding 0 to the x term, we can write the equation
X square
standard form
plus
as
0 into x
x square plus 0 into x
minus
minus
100
100 is equal to
is equal
0.
to 0.
The fourth equation is
2z
2z
minus
minus
5z
5z is equal
z
z
minus 6.
minus 6.
Again multiply
This equation,
on
one
both
term
sides
contains z
by 2,
in the
z.
denominator. How do you remove z from the denominator? By multiplying all the terms by z, we can remove z
With
from
z.
the denominator. Multiplying throughout by z, the equation becomes
Z
2z
into
square
the 2z.
minus 5 is equal to z square minus
Where
6z.
into sign is here,
On
not
simplifying
x.
and arranging the terms, this equation can be written in standard form as z square plus 6z minus 5 equal to 0.
तो काहीतरी चुकलं.
Fifth equation is m square plus 5 upon m square is equal to minus 3. Here we have to remove m square from the denominator. By cross multiplying, the equation becomes m square plus 5 is equal to minus 3m square. That is 4m square plus 5 equal to 0. By writing 0 for the missing term m, we get the standard form of equation as 4m square plus 0 into n plus 5
Into
equal to
means the
0.
multiplication is there. डॉटचा अर्थ वेगळा होता. टाईप करत असताना चुका झालेल्या आहेत. तर काय?
Roots of a quadratic equation.
Let us see the roots of the
Roots
quadratic
of the
equation.
quadratic equation. Consider an example of a quadratic equation. X squared plus 3x minus 4 equal to 0. Substitute x is equal to 1 in the left hand side of the equation.
Here you have to write the left hand side.
1 square
Again.
plus 3 into 1 minus 4,
Then answer.
which is 0. Is it equal to the right hand side? Yes. Left hand side is equal to right hand side. Now, substitute x is minus 1
4,
in
0.
the left hand side of the equation.
Therefore,
What do you get? Left hand side is minus 1 the whole square plus 3 into minus 1 minus 4, which is minus 6. Is it equal to right hand side? No. Left hand side is not equal to right hand side. By substituting x is 2, the left hand side is 2 square plus 3
minus
into
6
2
and 0.
minus 4, which is 6. Is it equal to right hand side? No. Left hand side is not equal to right hand side. By substituting x
X
is
is equal to minus 2.
the left hand side is minus 6, which is not equal to right hand side. When x is 3, left hand side
3
is 14,
square.
which is not equal to right hand side.
When we
When
put
x is minus 3, left hand side is minus 4, which is not equal to right hand side. When x is 4, left hand side is 24, which is also not equal to right hand side.
when x is equal to minus 4,
left hand side is 0,
0.
which is equal to right hand side.
Here the x is
For
equal to
which
1
values
and
of
x
the
is equal to
variable
minus
x
4.
was a quadratic equation
These two are the
satisfied?
0.
In other words, for which values of x did we get left hand side is right hand side? The given quadratic equation is satisfied for
For x is equal to 1
and
and x is equal to
minus
minus
4.
4.
Therefore,
Therefore
1
the
and minus 4 are the roots
Roots
given
of the quadratic
equation.
equation.
In
How to
other
find it?
words, we can say that
प्रत्येक गोष्ट
x is 1
शोधायचे.
and x is minus 4 are the solutions of the given quadratic equation. Can you now define the roots of the quadratic equation? The values of the variable which satisfy the given quadratic equation are called the roots of the quadratic equation. The values of the variable which do not satisfy the equation are not the roots of the equation. In this example, minus 1, 2, minus 2, 3, minus 3, 4 are not the roots of the equation. Students, remember that every quadratic equation
LHS
can
आणि
have
RHS
at
घेऊनच
most
सोडवायचे.
2 real roots. Let us solve an example to find the roots of the given quadratic equation from the given values of x.
X is equal
squared
to
plus
under root
5x minus 14 equal to 0 is a given equation. The values of x are given as root 2,
Root 2
minus
minus
7
7 and 3.
We have to find out which of these values are the roots of the equation and which are not.
Given
Substituting
equation,
x is root 2 in the left hand side of the equation, we get left hand side is root 2 the whole square plus 5 into root 2 minus 14, which is 5 root 2 minus 12. This is not equal to the right hand side. Therefore, left hand side is not equal to right hand side. Thus, for x is root 2, the equation is not satisfied. Therefore, root 2 is not the root of the given quadratic equation. Now,
next
let us substitute x is,
X is
minus,
equal to
7
minus 7.
on the left hand side of the equation. We get left hand side is minus 7 the whole square plus 5 into minus 7 minus 14,
minus 14.
which is 0. And this is equal to the right hand side. Therefore, left hand
Therefore,
side
LHS is equal to
right hand
RHS.
side. Thus the equation
When we get the
satisfied
LHS is
for
equal to
x is
RHS,
minus 7.
then minus
Therefore,
7
minus
is the
7 is the root of the given quadratic equation.
minus
Substituting
7
x is
is
3, we get
the root.
left hand side is 3 square plus 5 into 3 minus 14, which is equal to 10. Therefore, left hand side is not equal to right hand side. Thus, the equation is not satisfied for
Therefore,
x is 3.
X is equal to 3
is
is
not
not
root of the given quadratic equation.
minus 7 is the root of given equation, but under root 2 and
Let us solve
3.
one more problem. If one root of the quadratic equation kx squared minus 7x plus 12 equal to 0 is 3, then find the
the
value,
value of k.
Since it is
How to
given
find out the
that
value?
3 is the root, the quadratic equation is satisfied for x is 3.
X is equal to 3.
Substituting x is
X
3
is
in
equal
the
to 3 in equation.
We get k into 3 square minus 7 into 3
When we have to find
plus
out the
12
value of k,
equal to
at that time take it
On
g equal to
simplifying,
0
we get k is 1.
and solve
Therefore,
step by
the
step.
value of
The
k
value of
is
k
1.
is 1.
Let us do an activity. If one root of the quadratic equation is kx square minus 14x minus 5 is equal to 0, is x is equal to 5.
5. Complete
Then
the following
complete the
activity.
following activity to determine the value of k. Solution. One
The
root
activity is
of
given
the
there.
equation
We have to fill
kx square
up
minus
the
14x
box.
minus 5 is equal to 0.
Their
is
boxes
given as
are given.
5. Therefore, let us substitute x is equal to 5 in the above equation. Therefore, k into 5 square minus 14 into 5 minus 5 is equal to 0. Therefore,
25k
25k minus 70 minus 5 is equal to 0. Therefore, 25k minus 75 is equal to 0. Therefore, 25k is equal to 75. Therefore, k is equal to 75 upon 25, which is equal to 3. Therefore, answer. The value of k is 3.
when the root is given and when we have to find out the value of k, at that time you must put is equal to 0 and solve this one variable. K is their variable, one variable, that is the linear equation. After that, solving this equation, we get k is equal to 3. And when is it root or not, we have to see that. At that time you must take the LHS and RHS. Now take the next.
Solution of a quadratic equation by factorization.
Solution of quadratic equation by factorization method.
Methods of solving quadratic equations.
There
One
are
of
three
the
methods.
methods we have seen to find the root or the solution
माग
to
आपण
the
पाहिलेलं
quadratic
आहे.
equation is by
आणि याचा आपला हे
substituting different
solution
values
roots आहे,
for the
हे root.
variable. But this method of finding the solution is very tedious.
प्रत्येक
There are some
गोष्ट
other
पाहणं अवघड
methods to
जातं.
solve the quadratic equation. They are factorization
Three
method,
methods.
completing square method,
And
and
last
formula method.
formula method.
First, let us learn the stepwise solution by factorization method.
Factorization. Solve the
Consider
quadratic
the
equation
x square plus
by
10x
factorizing
plus
method.
24 equal to 0.
X square plus 10x plus 24.
we have to solve this quadratic equation. In the first step, we shall write the given equation
In
in
standard
form ax squared plus bx plus c equal to 0. Since this equation
Already
is
given.
already given in the standard form, we will go to the next step. In the second step, we will factorize the left hand side of the equation into two linear factors. For that, we first find the factors of 24,
24.
whose sum is 10.
Sum is 10. Now
6 into 4 is
24.
24 and 6 plus 4 is 10.
ज्यांचा गुणाकार
Factors are
ही
6
संख्या आली
and
पाहिजे
4.
आणि बेरीज ही संख्या आली
Hence,
पाहिजे.
we split the middle term 10x as 6x plus 4x. Therefore, the equation x squared plus 10x plus 24 equal to 0 can be written as x squared plus 6x plus 4x plus 24 equal to 0. By grouping, we get x into x plus 6 plus 4 into x plus 6 equal to 0. That is, x plus 6 into x plus 4 equal to 0. As per the zero product rule, if the product of two expressions is 0, then at least one of the expressions is 0. Therefore, in the third step, we equate each linear factor to 0. Here, x plus 6 is equal to 0 or x plus 4 is equal to 0. In the fourth step, we solve the linear equation x plus 6 equal to 0.
These two are the linear
and x
equation.
plus 4
क्वाड्रेटिक
equal to 0.
इक्वेशन मध्ये दोन लिनियर
Therefore,
इक्वेशन तयार
x
होतात.
is equal to minus 6
x
or
plus
x
6 is equal to
minus
0
4.
or x is equal to
Therefore,
x
minus
plus
6
4 is equal
and
to 0.
minus 4
x is
are
equal
the
to minus
roots
4.
of the given quadratic
Roots
equation.
of the given quadratic equation x square plus 10x plus 24. Simply,
The next quadratic equation
you have
is
learned this.
x plus
in ninth
20
standard.
upon x minus 12
आता
equal
हे
to 0.
वेगळ्या प्रकारचं quadratic equation दिलं.
In the first step, we have to write the given equation in standard form.
Standard form.
ax squared plus bx plus c equal to 0. Second term as the denominator x.
Here
To
x is
eliminate
there.
this denominator, we will multiply each term of the equation by x.
प्रत्येक टर्मला
By
x न गुणा.
simplifying, we get
x square
plus 20,
20
minus 12x
minus 12x is
is
equal to x
0.
into 0.
We
Again
will write
0.
it in the form ax squared plus bx plus c equal to 0.
Standard form.
Therefore, x
X
squared
square
minus
minus
12x
12x
plus 20
plus 20 is
equal
equal
to
to
0.
0.
In the second
Side is not
step, we
changed.
have to factorize the left hand side of the equation into linear factors. Here a into c is
लक्षात ठेवून
equal
इथं
to 1
side
into
change
20,
करायची.
which is
Side
20.
change नाही. चिन्ह
We
तसंच
have to
आहे.
find the factors of 20, whose sum is the middle term minus 12.
20 into
When a into c is positive, either both the factors are positive or both of them are negative. This depends on the sign of the middle term.
10 into 2.
Since the middle term is negative,
So
both the
that
factors are negative.
Negative.
Since minus 10 into minus 2 is 20 and minus 10 plus minus 2 is minus 20.
Minus 12.
The factors of 20 are minus 10 and
And
minus 2.
minus 2.
Therefore, the equation x squared minus 12x plus 20 equal to 0 can be written
Factorize
as
it.
x squared minus 10x,
10x
minus 2x
minus
plus 20 equal to
This
0.
12x we have to
By
write it this
grouping,
2
we get x into x minus 10
from this
minus 2 into x minus 10 is equal to 0. That is, x minus 10
again
into
x minus 10
is equal to 0. Therefore, either x minus 10 is 0 or
खूप वेळा मी हे सांगत असताना सर्वसाधारण विद्यार्थ्यांच्या लक्षात राहून ज्यावेळेस आपण वनभोजनाला किंवा कुठं बागेमध्ये जेवण करण्यासाठी जातो त्यावेळेस डबे तयार करून नेतो. मग डब्यातलं 2 डब्यात जे कॉमन आहे ते एका डब्यात ठेवायचं आणि राहिलेलं सगळं दुसऱ्या डब्यात. आणि मग दोन्हीचा गुणाकार 0 आहे तर एक तर पहिला तरी डब्बा 0 असला पाहिजे किंवा दुसरा तरी डब्बा 0 असला पाहिजे. मग ते शिल्लक राहिलेलं आपण दुसऱ्या डब्यात भरतो. अशा प्रकारे लक्षात ठेवण्यासाठी आपण युक्तिवाद करा. स्वतः युक्तिवाद करा.
X is 2. Therefore, 10 and 2 are the roots of the equation
of given equation x square minus 12x
minus 12 equal to 0.
Come on, take down the next.
The next quadratic equation is x square is equal to 2 into 11x minus 48. The first step is to write the equation in standard form ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0.
Simplify it.
By using distributive
X square
property
is
on the
equal
right
to
hand side of the given equation becomes x square
is equal to 22x minus 96. Take these two terms to the left hand
x
side.
square minus 22x
Plus 96 is equal to 0.
Here a into c is equal to 1 into
Values of
96,
the ABC.
which is 96. What is the
A
next
is
step?
equal to 1 and 96.
Yes.
96.
It is
Divide
find
96
factors of 96 whose
into
sum
2 parts.
is minus 22. Minus 16 into minus 6 is 96 and minus 16 minus 6 is minus 22. Therefore, the factors of 96 are minus 16 and minus 6. The equation x square minus 22x plus 96
Divide this in
0
22
can be written
into 2
as
parts.
x square minus 16x minus 6x plus 96 is equal to 0. By grouping we get
Then
x
take the
into
comma.
x minus 16 minus
From these
6
two.
into x minus 16 is equal to 0. Therefore, x minus 16 into
And
x minus 6
is
is equal to 0. As for the third step, we equate each linear factor to 0. Therefore, x
Therefore,
minus
x is-
16 is 0 or x minus 6 is 0.
Here
By
must be
solving
the R.
these linear equations, we get
X is equal to 16
or
or x is equal to 6.
Therefore, 16 and 6,
6 are the roots of the
quadratic
given
equation.
quadratic equation.
X square equal to 2 into 11x minus 48. The next equation is 10x square plus 3x minus 4 equal to 0.
Different type of the equation is this.
This equation is already in the form ax
ax square plus bx plus c,
equal to 0.
where the a is equal to
Here
10,
a into c is equal to 10 into minus 4, which is minus
AC
40.
minus 40.
We have to find the factors of minus 40.
Minus 40
The sum is plus 3. We know that when the product is negative, one factor is positive and the other is negative.
negative.
Which one of the factors is considered as either positive or negative?
8
This
5
depends on the sign of the middle term.
plus
Out of the two factors, the greater numeral will have the sign of the middle term. Plus 8 into minus 5 is minus 40 and plus 8 minus
minus
5
5 is equal to plus 3.
Therefore,
So
the
that-
factors of minus 40 are
Divide this
plus
3
8
here
and minus 5.
into
The equation
Plus 8
10x square plus 3x minus 4 equal to 0 can be written as 10x square plus 8x minus 5x minus 4 equal to 0.
divided into 2.
By grouping we get 2x into 5x plus 4
Take the
minus
common.
1 into 5x plus 4 is equal to 0. Therefore,
Here. या ठिकाणी सगळ्यात जास्त विद्यार्थ्यांचं चुकतं. ज्यावेळेस ax स्क्वेअर म्हणजे इथं a च्या ठिकाणी काहीतरी एक सोडून दुसरी कोणताही अंक असेल तर, संख्या असेल तर, इथं कॉमन काढत असताना बारकाईनं निरीक्षण करावं लागतं. बारकाईनं निरीक्षण 10 10x² + 8x या दोन्हीमध्ये कॉमन काय आहे ते नीट पाहायचं. 2x इंटू ब्रॅकेट, आता 2x न 10x² ला डिवाइड केलं तर 5x येतं आहे आणि 2x न 8x ला डिवाइड केलं तर 4 येतं. तसं ह्या दोन्हीमध्ये काही कॉमन आहे का? काही नाही. काही नाही तरी एक असतंच, ते लक्षात ठेवा. -1 कॉमन काढायचं आणि x 5x + 4 हे दोन ब्रॅकेट इक्वल आलेच पाहिजे, कारण त्या ब्रॅकेट बद्दल आपल्याला एकदाच कॉमन घ्यायचं आणि राहिलेलं एका ब्रॅकेट.
is equal to 0. As per the zero product rule, at least one of the expression must be 0. Therefore, 5x
ही
plus
बाजू
4
लिहून घ्यायची
is
गरज
0
नाही,
or 2x minus 1
फक्त
is equal to
लक्षात
0.
येण्यासाठी ते बाजू दिली.
By solving these linear equations, we
We
get x is minus 4
4
upon
by
5
5 or x is equal to 1 by 2. This is the simple.
minus 4 upon 5 and 1 upon
Whenever the equations are given in this type, at that time you can solve this quadratic equation by factorizing method as like this, by step. This question will ask in examination for 3 marks. 3 मार्कासाठी हा प्रश्न विचारला.
of the quadratic equation 10x² plus 3x minus 4 equal to 0. Let us solve one more example. The given quadratic equation is 6x² minus 7x minus 13 equal to 0. This equation is already in the standard form ax² plus bx plus c equal to 0.
Again
A to
here,
c is
6 into 13
minus 13, which is equal to minus 78. We have to find the
Minus
factors
78.
of minus 78 whose sum is minus 7. Here again A to C is negative. If one factor is positive
must be
and
the
the other
positive
is negative,
and negative.
which one of the factors
Greater
is considered
factor
as
must be
either
the negative
positive
here.
or negative? Since the middle term is negative,
So that
the factor with the greater numeral is
he is negative and other must be the positive.
Minus 13 into plus 6 is minus 78 and minus 13 plus 6,
Plus 6 is equal
minus
to
7.
minus 7.
If the factors of minus 78 are minus
Minus
13
39
plus
plus
6.
6.
Thus the equation 6x² minus 7x minus 13 equal to 0 can be written as 6x²
Divide this 7x
minus
into
13x plus 6x minus 13 equal to 0. By grouping we get x into
Grouping these
6x
two.
minus 13 plus 1 into 6x minus 13 equal to 0.
Take the common.
Therefore 6x minus 13 into x plus 1 equal to 0. Since the product is 0,
Product is 0.
one of the expression must
Must
be
be
0.
0.
Therefore 6x minus 13
Is equal to 0 or
or x plus 1 is equal to 0. Therefore x is 13 upon 6
these
or
two are the
x
simple
is minus
linear
1.
equation.
Therefore
Solve.
13 upon 6 and minus 1 are the roots of the quadratic equation 6x² minus 7x minus 13 equal to 0.
Let us take
Solution of a quadratic equation by completing the square.
completing square method. या अगोदर सगळ्या मेथड घेऊन नंतर मग
The next method is called completing
completing
square
square
method.
method.
We have to solve the quadratic equation x² plus 6x minus 2 equal to
Is
0.
equal to 0. First equation
If
from
we try to solve this equation by
Exercise
factorization method,
2.3.
then a to c is equal to 1 into minus 2, it is minus 2, and the middle term is plus 6x. So we will have to find the factors of minus 2 whose sum is 6. What are the factors of minus 2 whose sum is 6?
Subtraction
You
is
may
6.
have observed that it is not easy to find the factors of minus 2 whose sum is 6. From this it is clear that all quadratic equations
Are
cannot be
not
solved
factorizable.
by factorization. In such cases, we will use another method known as completing square method.
Square method. Now,
We will now see
Completing
how to
square
solve
method.
the quadratic equation by completing square method. First, let us revise the concept of a perfect square. We know that the expression x squared plus 2ax plus a square is a perfect square.
this is the perfect
Why?
square. A
Here
plus
the first
x
term
plus
x square is the
x
square
plus
of
a.
x. The third term a square is the square of a. And the
And
middle
middle
term
term
2ax
2ax.
is 2 into x into a. Therefore, x square plus 2ax plus a square is a perfect square. Therefore, x square plus 2ax plus a square is x plus a the whole
Bracket
square.
square.
Now,
Or
the
a plus b
given
bracket
equation
square. A
is
square
a
plus 2ab plus b
6x
square.
minus 2 a perfect square. Here the
In the
first
reverse
term
direction.
x square is the square of x. The third term is minus 2 and it is not the square of any real number. Therefore, x square plus 6x minus 2 is not a perfect square. The middle term of the
So we have
expression
to
is 6x.
convert it into
We can write
the
6x
perfect
as
square.
2 into 3 into x. We will now add and subtract 9
middle
as
term.
the square of 3 to the expression x squared plus 6x minus 2 equal to 0. Therefore, we get x squared plus
Plus
6x
6x
plus
plus
9
9
minus 9
minus 9
minus 2
is
equal to
equal
0.
to 0.
We
Now-
know that the trinomial x squared plus 6x plus 9 is x
This
plus
is the
3
perfect
the
square.
whole square and hence a perfect square. Therefore, the equation x squared plus 6x minus 2 becomes x plus 3 the whole square minus
Minus
11
11
equal
is
to
equal
0.
to 0.
This can be written as x plus 3 the whole square minus root 11 the whole square
Is
equal
equal
to
to
0.
0. And now factorize it.
Using the formula a square minus b square is
Is equal
a
to a
plus
plus
b
b a
into a
minus
minus
b.
we can write the equation as x plus 3 plus root 11 to x plus 3
Minus root 11 is equal to 0. Now first bracket is equal to 0
plus 3
or
plus root
second
11
bracket is equal to 0.
or x plus 3 minus root 11 equal to 0. Therefore, x is minus 3 minus root 11
Take to
or x
the right hand
is
side.
minus 3 plus root 11.
Minus
Therefore,
become plus,
minus
plus
3
become minus.
minus root 11
And
and
minus 3
plus
plus root 11 are the roots of the
quadratic
given
equation
quadratic
x
equation.
square plus 6x minus 2 equal to 0.
This is the equation.
Here
This
we
equation
have
is
converted
from
the quadratic equation
practice set
from
2.3.
x plus a the whole square
First equation.
minus b square to find
Now,
its roots
You
easily.
can easily solve
Let us
the
now
practice set
correlate this concept
2.1,
with area of
2.2
rectangle
and
square.
2.3. Again, we take after in the second
Let
period
us see how to convert x square plus
how to
6x
determine the roots of the given quadratic equation by formula method. फॉर्म्युला मेथड घेतल्यानंतर आपण ह्या धड्यातला पूर्ण भाग होईल आणि फॉर्म्युल्यामध्ये डेल्टा शोधायचं आहे. तर असे काही पुढच्या स्टेप आहेत. आत्ता फक्त आपण फॅक्टरायझिंग मेथड आणि परफेक्ट स्क्वेअर मेथड या दोन मेथड पाहिलेल्या आहेत. त्याच्यातलाही राहिलेला भाग आपण प्रॅक्टिस सेट 2.1 2.2 2.3 मधले राहिलेले उदाहरणं उद्या घेणार आहोत आणि फॉर्म्युला मेथड घेऊन तर ह्या धड्यामधला जो पहिला थोडा भाग आहे तो आपण संपणार आहोत. आता सध्या या पिरियडमध्ये आपण फॅक्टरायझिंग मेथड अँड परफेक्ट स्क्वेअर मेथड या दोन मेथड पाहिलेल्या आहेत. अभ्यास करा आणि न समजलेलं परत विचारा आणि विचारण्यासाठी तुम्हाला पाहावं लागेल, विचार करावा लागेल आणि विचार करून सांगावं लागेल. धन्यवाद.